Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create landing pages in HubSpot without any coding, step by step, perfect for beginners in 2026. Let's get started. HubSpot allows you to build professional landing pages using a drag and drop editor, so no technical skills are required. These landing pages help you capture leads, promote offers, and increase conversions. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then click Landing Pages. Click Create and choose Landing Page. Now select a pre-designed template. HubSpot provides responsive templates that work well on desktop and mobile devices. Once the editor opens, start customizing your page. Click on the headline and update it to clearly explain your offer. Add text, images, videos, or buttons by dragging elements into the layout. Next, add a form to collect visitor information. You can select an existing form or create a new one directly inside the editor. Forms automatically save leads into HubSpot CRM. Customize the design to match your brand. Change colors, fonts, spacing, and background settings without writing any code. Add your logo and brand elements for a professional look. Now go to the Settings tab. Set the page name, URL, meta description, and featured image. You can also connect the landing page to a campaign for better tracking. Before publishing, preview the page on desktop and mobile. Make sure everything looks clean and loads correctly. When ready, click Publish to make the landing page live. After publishing, track performance from the landing page dashboard. Monitor page views, form submissions, and conversion rates to improve results. In summary, creating landing pages in HubSpot without coding is fast and easy. With drag-and-drop tools, built-in forms, and analytics, you can launch high-converting landing pages and grow your business in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.